Tonight, Iran launched a large-scale of coordinated attack on Israel.
The recent crisis of Iran and Israel has grabbed the attention of major world powers, with a lot of anticipation on the spillover effects of the war over the world economy and the global supply chain. Let us understand the root cause of the crisis and whether or not the issue will turn into a full-fledged regional war. Iran and Israel have long been in a shadow war since Islamic Revolution 1979. What is a shadow war? Iran, a Shia-majority Middle East nation, finds a common ground with otherwise conflicting rival against Israel and its claim on the promised land of the Jews. It poses another existential threat to the identity of Israel. For long, Iran has been funding, sponsoring, and equipping rebellion groups like the Houthis from Yemen, the Hamas from the Gaza Strip, the Hezbollah from Lebanon, and the ISIS to launch proxy wars and attacks against Iran. Collectively referred to as the Axis of Resistance, this strategy allows Iran to avoid claim any direct responsibility of these attacks. It effectively escapes a damaging, irrevocable retaliation by Israel. The recent attack by Hamas against Israel earlier this year is also said to have been sponsored by Iran. Israel, on the other hand, uses the Octopus Doctrine, where it directly targets strategic places in Iran, including its nuclear sites and air bases. These attacks are launched by Israel as a strategic deterrence, wherein it warns Iran against any such attacks in the future. Ever since the fallout of the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action or the Iran nuclear deal, Israel and other major powers have been more wary of Iran's ambitions. While the Iranian military leaders boast of a similar attack as launched on April 13th against Israel, it is least likely for the crisis to turn to a full-fledged regional war, as any kind of retaliation on the part of Israel can send Iran 20 to 30 years back in time. Moreover, the global economy cannot afford another crisis spiraled by global oil supply chain crisis and inflation. Thank you. For more such interesting and engaging content, stay tuned to the Indian Knowledge Network.